Hey my people, it's Denise back again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to make homemade yogurt. I just hope you love it. Ingredients: we need yogurt culture or plain yogurt. Yeah, the flavors: I'm going to use strawberry, I'm going to use vanilla, and we can also use honey. Yes. So at first we are going to boil the milk. It should not contain any water. It should be plain milk. It should not contain any water, because if it contains water, your yogurt might not come out as expected. So it's better you cook it without any water. So when your milk is ready, you put it aside and you put in your yogurt culture, or you put in a little bit of yogurt. Yes, so I never had yogurt culture, I had yogurt. So you put in like 2.5 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and you stir your milk so that the yogurt can mix up with the hot milk. In 3 cups of milk, you put 2.5 tablespoons of yogurt or yogurt culture. So after stirring very well, you put the milk in a flask, or you can put it in a container and cover it very well so that it can stay warm till morning. Yes. So in the morning, as you can see, I had to keep the things warm. I had put some of the milk in a container and some in a flask, and you can see that it has formed. The yogurt has formed, though it is so we're going to pour the formed yogurt into a blender. The blender is going to help us to whisk the yogurt so that it becomes thick and smooth. Or why you're getting me, I don't know. So as you can see, this yogurt was a bit in a solid state, so we needed to use the blender so that it can become thick but smooth, so that it is a bit watery. So put it in the blender, and the blender is going to help us to whisk it up. Yes, as you can see. So after our yogurt has been blended very well, I removed 1 cup from it, so the last 2 cups remained. The 2 cups remained in the blender. So I added in 1.5 tablespoons of honey. As you can see, the honey shows itself on top of the yogurt. And I added in the vanilla flavor. Yes. So you can add in the desirable amount of vanilla flavor I want to put in yogurt, but for me I put in 2.5 tablespoons of vanilla flavor because I knew it was enough. So afterwards we are going to add in 4 tablespoons of sugar so that the yogurt can have some sweetness. Yes. So we are going to blend again, and this helps us for the sugar and the honey and the vanilla to mix up all together. So it was easier than using a spoon to stir again, you know what I mean. So our yogurt is ready for packing. So after, we are going to put it in a bottle. You can use a glass and put it there, as long as it has a lid. So I had my bottles here, and you can see. So after putting it there, you can put it in the refrigerator, and you can take your yogurt while it's cold. Remember, I had removed 1 cup of yogurt from the blender, so I'm going to put in the strawberry flavor in that cup but I had put it back in the blender, as you can see, so that it can also mix up. Yes, so we put in there strawberry flavor, and we're going to put in a little bit of sugar. Yes, so after we are going to blend still as we did with the vanilla flavored yogurt. So even our strawberry flavored yogurt is also ready, so we are going to also pack it. Yes, as you can see, it's simple and easy and it's not tiresome. So you guys, thank you for watching my video, and I would like to thank each and every subscriber that has subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I would like to ask those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share, and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. This is all I had for today. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye bye. Bye for now.